In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix YouTube not working on your Android device. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, this works exactly the same whether you're on Samsung, Android, anything like that. So let's say your YouTube's app's not working, it's opening and crashing, or it's just not opening altogether, or not playing any videos. There's an easy fix for this, but just obviously, firstly, make sure you're connected to internet, make sure you're not on airplane mode or anything like that, and make sure you actually have connection. Now, once you're happy with that, all you want to do is swipe down on the top right. It's going to bring up your control panel. Then on the top right again, click on the settings wheel icon. Now, what you want to do is locate the apps section. So I'm going to scroll down and towards the bottom under device care, I'm going to see apps. Go ahead and click on that. It shows your apps 153, which means I have 153 apps on my phone right now. I can scroll through and find YouTube over here. But if I don't want to do that, on the top right, I want to see that little search icon right there. So then I just got to type in YouTube over here, and then I'm going to click on that. And that's going to show the YouTube app info. Now, what I want to do is scroll down into IC storage, which is under usage. Go ahead and click on that. What you want to do is clear the cache, and now it's going to show 0 bytes. So I just did that. And then try opening YouTube. If that still doesn't work, what you can do is also clear the data as well. You may have to sign in again, but after you clear the data, it should definitely open, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.